Hi, my name's Mull. I'm a co-owner of Arizona Turf Masters and the Synthetic Grass Store. We're out at a Pup Festival today, so we're going to talk a little bit about questions we get asked most frequently from pet owners.
Is turf safe for pets?
That's a great question. Yes, turf is safe for pets. It's tested for heavy metals, and it's also non-toxic for dogs.
Are there any rebate programs in the Phoenix Metro area?
I just learned that there's $5 million set aside through the city of Phoenix for their rebates, but I would definitely go online, check it out, and then also check your municipalities wherever you're located.
Do you offer any financing options?
Yes, we do. The Synthetic Grass Store offers Klarna.
And Arizona Turf Masters offers Synchrony.
Are there any certain turfs branded for pets?
We do have two specifically named for pets. One is Pet Paradise and the other is Cool Canine. Cool Canine is antimicrobial built in both the blades and the backing of the turf.
How do you neutralize the smell of pet urine?
That's a good question as well. We have a couple of different options. Envirofill is an antimicrobial coated sand that works on contact with odors and bacteria. You can also rinse the grass, the water through the grass to try to dissipate the odors and smells and liquids through the grass.
Can I bring my dogs or pets to your showroom?
Yes, absolutely. We're pet friendly. We're here today at a Pup Festival, as a matter of fact, so bring your four-legged friends on in.